This is day 2 of hardening off the chili pepper plants. This is where most people get it wrong. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I don't know why we're around here right now, but a happy Thursday 19th to you all. Thursday 19th of March 2026. It is day 32 of the chili growing. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday and you've had a great week so far. The weather is going to be absolutely amazing. I think between 16 and 18 degrees today, and like that for the next 5 days. That car over there is awesome. Reminds me of Carmageddon. I don't know if you remember that game. Show my age there, but yeah, pretty damn cool. Okay, I hope you're having a great day. Let's get these chilies out in the sun because we're going to harden them off again today. They're going to have a couple of hours and get used to the breeze, get some strength, make sure they're not going to get absolute sun shock from the powerful sun that is blazing above us today. And that's what we'll need to make sure our plants grow big and strong and produce lots and lots of peppers, because that's the goal, and that's ultimately what I want everybody to see in these videos. From seedling to so many peppers, I'll be giving them away to all of you. So I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday and a great week so far. Thank you all as always for joining us. Let's get the day started and let's get these plants out into the sun. Ain't that right, kid? Let's do this. Okay, welcome everybody. It's a bit of a mess, but this is going to be where the chilies finally end up. April 1st, we've got a good clear out. Going to get all these clear. Oh, this was 6 foot of stinging nettles when we got it. Don't own the property. The property owners are very kindly let us do this on the basis that we are growing chilies and we clean it up and look after it, because it was just a complete landfill when we moved in. Fortunately, we've already had to spend some money that I haven't got getting the fence set up because the neighbour decided to kick this through for some reason. How nice. So here we have the plants. Carrying them in old chocolate tub containers because it's so much more easier. So we've got them all overwintering. They're going to have about 2 hours. Along the shelf there, I've got my solo pots, the up-potted plants. They'll be good on the shelf there. And then our smaller ones are here. Let's have a quick look, shall we? That's a Cayenne from 2025. Okay, everything is back in. All the plants look okay. Some of them need a little bit of support, but I think they're just adjusting and bending to the light. But they've had 2 hours, so we're going to have a little check through everything. But now this is the important thing. This is where mistakes happen. We need to do this gradually now. Not just chuck them straight out into the sun the whole time, because it will kill them off. It's too much for them. Even though the weather's nice, like tomorrow, we will do 2.5 hours. Just gradually build this up and up and up, and not rush it, give it time. And also, if at any point it's a bit too long, a bit too much for them, we got to get them back in. You can tell that because the leaves discolor, they get yellow tinges on the side, and that's like the sun's scalded. The sun's too much for it, it's burning the leaves up. So I think they're all right today. 2 hours is just fine for them. You'll see some of them have that tiny little bit of yellow tinge on the tips of the leaves, and it just shows like, okay, should be all right now for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, step by step. But we got to do this gradually. Let's have a quick scan of everything. I'm going to be quiet so you can have a little look through and see how they're all looking. Okay, the plants are all back in position. I'm just about to put them back at the grow light clamps back on and get them all back in. I think they're looking good. A few of them need to bend back towards the light. I think they're just strengthening up. I think that's what's happened because I didn't use an oscillating fan. That's why a lot of these central stems of the plants are getting a bit flimsy. So there's a first mistake I don't want anybody to do that's watching this that's going to grow their own chilies. Other than that though, they're looking pretty nice. I want to thank you so much for joining us today on day 32. I hope you've had a wonderful Thursday. I really do, and I hope you've had a great week so far. Thank you all so much for your likes, comments, subscriptions, what have you. I really hope you're enjoying this journey as much as we are. Thank you once again. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you Friday for day 33. Thank you all so much. Make sure you take care of yourself. Look after me, myself, and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.